Good morning. Let us start our new class. Okay.
Dear students, before our formative evaluation, we have started our second chapter. The name of the chapter was Learn to Use Linux Edubuntu. Today, first of all, let us revise the previous portions. What is an operating system? Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. That means it controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. Can you say some examples for operating system? Linux, Mac OS, MS-DOS, MS Windows and Unix. Do you know this picture? Yes, this is the symbol of Linux operating system. And this symbol is known as Tux. Linux is a popular system software in the world. It was first released on 5th October 1991. Actually, Tusky is a penguin that is the official mascot of Linux. It is the most common icon used for Linux. Have you heard about booting? What is meant by this booting? When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. Most of people use Linux operating system in their computers. And it has some reason. What are they? First of all, it is available free of cost. Second reason, it is very easy to use. Third one, it is graphic based. Fourth reason, programs are arranged in different files and folders. And the last reason is it has icons which help to do different things quickly. Because of these 5 reasons, most of the people use Linux operating system. And also you may be familiar with the word distro or Linux distribution. What was it? Actually, Linux is a packaged software. Packaged means when we load Linux operating system in our computer, along with that operating system, we will get some free softwares. That's why we call it as a package. For Linux, there are different types of packages. Examples: Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, and Arch Linux. We call these packages as distro. In this chapter, we will study about the Linux distribution Edubuntu. What is the advantage of Edubuntu? It is mainly designed for use in classrooms and homes. This is the Finnish-American software engineer Linus Torvalds who developed Linux in 1991. Now let us discuss some common ideas about Linux operating system. First of all, when we start the computer, after completing the booting process, we can see a screen. That screen is known as desktop. So what is desktop? When the process of booting is completed, we can see a screen. That screen is known as desktop. And this desktop contains mainly 4 parts: desktop background, icons, launcher and menu bar. What is meant by this desktop background? That is the background picture of Linux Edubuntu desktop. Icons means icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, file or folder. Look here. This is the folder icon and this one is known as document icon. You can see different types of icons on the desktop. Now how can we select an icon on the desktop? First of all, bring the mouse pointer over an icon that you want to select. Then click the left mouse button. Then you can see the color of the icon changes. That means that icon is selected. And if you want to deselect that same icon, move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon, click the left mouse button once more. Now the color of the icon changes to its original color. It means that the icon is deselected. Do you know how can we open an application using icons? We know that each application indicates some program. So if you want to open that program, just make a double click on that particular icon. I told you, sometimes we can see so many icons on the desktop screen. So we can arrange the icons in a particular order. That process is known as organize desktop icons. Now how can we organize? For that, right click on any blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Always remember, whenever you make a right click, always you will get a pop-up menu. And from that menu, you can select Organize Desktop by Name option. Then you will notice that all the icons get organized by their name. Now the third part of the desktop, that is Launcher. Launcher means the long vertical bar on the left side of the desktop is called the launcher. What is its use? It provides quick access to applications, removable devices and the trash. Do you know what is trash? Trash is just like the recycle bin in our Windows operating system. We can say that is the waste bin of a computer. Whenever we delete a file or folder, it will be moved to the trash.
I hope you have understood today's session. So let us see in the next class. Thank you.